Good morning students. So today we are going to start exercise 4.2, and in this first question we are given an equation y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, it is a linear equation in two variables and we have to tell whether it is having a unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution, only two solutions, or infinitely many solutions. These options are given to us and we have to choose. Okay, so this equation, it has infinitely many solutions because for every value of x there lies a value of y and vice versa. Means if we put here in place of x 0, so the value of y will be 5. If we put here 1 in place of x, so the value of y will be 8. If we suppose put here 2, then the value will be 11 of y. Okay, so like this, for every value of x there lies a value of y. That's why infinitely many solutions. Now question number 2. In this we are given some equations and we have to find out 4 solutions of the equation. Okay, so just let us check how to find out this. Question number 2, A part. Equation is given to us 2x plus y is equal to 7. Linear equation in two variables. So we have to find out 4 solutions. Here we have taken out. First solution is 0, 7. Okay. Second solution is 1, 5. Third solution is 2, 3. And fourth solution is 3, 1. So what is the meaning of these solutions? That if we put these values, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. This is the value of x, this is the value of y. Okay, first one is the value of x and the second one is the value of y here. Okay, so if you put these values here in the equation, so it will be satisfied. This equation will satisfy by these values, means the LHS and RHS will be equal. So to find out the solutions, what we have to do, one by one we have to put the value of either of x or of y in the given equation. So just like as here, put x is equal to 0. Okay, if you put x is equal to 0, so it will be 2 multiplied by 0 plus y is equal to 7. This one will become 0 and y will be equal to 7. So the first solution is 0, 7. We will write in bracket here. Okay, so it is the first solution. Then to find out the second solution, now put the value of x 1. Okay, in the given equation here. So 2 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 7. So here is 2. It will go on the right side. So it will give y is equal to 7 minus 2, means the value of y is equal to 5. So second solution is 1, 5. Means when x is 0, so y is 7. When x is 1, so at that time y is 5. Then what we have to do? We have to put x is equal to 2. Means one time we are putting here x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2 in the equation, then x is equal to 3. Like this we can put the values here of x or y. So 2 multiplied by 2, from here we will observe from the equation. So plus y is equal to 7. So it is giving us y is equal to 3. So the third solution is 2, 3. Means when x is equal to 2, at that time y is 3. Now here is fourth solution, that put x is equal to 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus y is equal to 7. So it is giving us y is equal to 1. So the fourth solution is 3, 1. So like this, in the given equations we have to put the value of x or y and we will get the respective value there. Okay, so now just see second part. Here is second part. We are given pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, so one by one we have to put the value of x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 wherever x is there. Okay, so x is equal to 0 if you put here, so pi multiplied by 0 plus y is equal to 9. So it is giving y is equal to 9. So first solution is 0, 9. Okay, then put the value of x is equal to 1 as you put. So we are getting y is equal to 9 minus pi. So the second solution is 1, 9 minus pi. Okay, like this we have to find out the third solution also. So put x is equal to 2. Okay, it is on the second page, next page. okay, and put x is equal to 3. So here we are getting the other solution, third solution and fourth solution. Same we have to do in the third part also, okay, that we have to put, now this time y is equal to 0. It's our wish, we may put the value of x or of y also. So this question is done by putting the value of y is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1, and y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay, so like this, while putting the values of either of x or of y, we just get the relative value of, if you just put the value of x, then we get the y, and if you just put the value of y, then we just get the value of x. Okay, so now just